Before starting the installation, make sure the power supply is completely disconnected. Always turn off power before connecting wires to prevent electric shock or device damage. The IN4 input module is designed to connect up to 4 potential-free contacts, such as push buttons or switches. First, connect the power supply wires according to the manufacturer's wiring diagram. Make sure the polarity and recommended voltage are correct. Then connect the control phase wire to the input terminals. Each input is activated by applying the phase signal to the corresponding terminal. Now, let's show the pairing process for the 4-input IN4 module with the DS2 switching unit, and on input 1, we'll set function 5, delayed off, with a 10-second timer. On the DS2 unit, press and hold the programming button for more than 3 seconds. After this time, the LED will start blinking. The device is now in pairing mode. On the IN4 controller, hold down the prog button for more than 2 seconds to also enter pairing mode. Then press the IN1 button 5 times, with about a 1-second pause between each press. This activates function number 5, delayed return, meaning delayed switch off. Next, on the DS2, press and hold the programming button for more than 5 seconds, until the LED flashes twice at 1-second intervals. This switches the unit into timing mode. The delayed return time will start counting down. This time can range from 2 seconds up to 60 minutes. In our example, we'll let the timer run for about 10 seconds. After the desired time has passed, we press the IN1 button on the IN4 module, which has the delayed return function assigned. This ends the timing mode and saves the set time interval to the device's memory. Finally, with a short press of the programming button on both DS2 and IN4, we exit the pairing modes. After activating the button, the DS2 output turns on and will automatically turn off after the set 10 seconds. With that, pairing and setting up the delayed return function is successfully completed.